Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about a bird, new bird. As I told you earlier, we are good. All this month we are going to learn about birds, right? So, what is a bird? A bird have feathers all over the body, and it has two wings to fly. Some birds will fly very high, and some birds will high to some feet, and some birds doesn't fly. And today we are going to learn about the bird that fly little bit high, like 2 to 3 feet high. That's it. They would fly up to 2 to 3 feet. Okay. So what is that bird? Actually, two birds. About we are going to learn about two birds today. They are hen and rooster. Hen and rooster. So, what is a hen? A hen is a mommy chicken, and rooster is a daddy chicken. They both belongs to same family. Okay, they both belongs to same family. As we all know, mama hen lays eggs, and daddy rooster doesn't lay eggs. And most of the villages, the daddy rooster will wakes up everybody like coco. It will shout like at 4 o'clock in the morning. Rooster daddy will shout, and everybody will get up by listening the voice of rooster coco. Everybody will wake up from sleep. Everybody will wake up from sleep. And mama hen doesn't shout like daddy rooster. It shouts like coco. This simple as this. So mama hen doesn't shout, and daddy rooster shouts quite a big voice. It shouts quite with big voice. And mama hen, it has a comb like structure, like comb like thing on her head, a small comb. But daddy rooster has big comb, very big comb. And our papas are very much tall,